Today we'll be talking about how you can reduce styrofoam usage and how styrofoam affects our environment. Now, what is styrofoam? Styrofoam is a kind of expanded polystyrene foam that many restaurants use for takeout containers and as coffee cups due to its insulating properties and cheap manufacturing costs. Styrofoam's scientific name is actually polystyrene foam. It is a lightweight material composed of about 95% air and can be solid or liquid in form. Cleveland State University states that it requires more than 1 million years to decompose. Therefore, styrofoam is very harmful to our environment.
Now we'll be talking about the ways you can decrease the use of styrofoam. Next time, try using a reusable cup instead of getting a new one each time you go to a new location. From examples on Purdue's campus are the Neon Cactus, which has reusable cups each week that you can buy and retake to the cactus for fun drinks. Next up, we have Starbucks, which has reusable cups that you can get a discount on each time you visit a Starbucks location. On-the-go locations in the dining courts also offer this kind of deal, but they offer a free drink every time you bring your reusable cup back into on-the-go. A study that we did on social media surveying 964 participants shows that 883 of our participants use 0 to 5 styrofoam cups per week. 81 of our participants use 6 to 10 cups per week, and we hope that they can decrease this after our presentation.
Looking at the Travel Care Code, it is important to make informed decisions to decrease the styrofoam you use on campus. You know the effects of styrofoam on the environment, but you have to think about what other choices you have instead. Students can take action by making these decisions. Students should look for the places on campus that try to use less styrofoam in addition to using less themselves. Looking into the sustainability practices of companies is a big part of making informed decisions. Company websites can be a good start, along with what you hear about them in the news and what you see and hear about them on campus. This can be applied to where you get your soda. On Purdue's campus, students know that they can get a cheap soda from the den, but they also know these sodas come in styrofoam cups. The Circle K on campus also uses styrofoam cups, but provides you with an alternate reusable cup. This shows that the company is trying to use less styrofoam and encouraging you to use less as well.
One of the key thoughts for sustainability is making a conscious effort to diminish a human's impact on the environment. Many people mainly realize this in their home. However, when they travel to new places, they forget this rule. One could argue that it might be more crucial to act better in new and different areas to show your respect to that area. One way where there is a pretty large difference in how people act at home versus away is the use of styrofoam cups. Many people could admit to never using a styrofoam cup at home. However, as soon as they would step onto a college campus or be driving to a new place, there's that need for the 32-ounce styrofoam cup filled with pop. What produces that change in a person as soon as they leave their home? That makes them feel okay with using products that take hundreds of years to decompose. While on a college campus, students tend to forget about their environmental obligations, which is understandable due to the intense stress that this environment places on them. However, when at college, many see this new place as their home for approximately 4 years. So if this is our home, why are we treating it this way? Why are we not putting more pressure on the companies in our area to help us be more sustainable?
Next, we're going to discuss ways to dispose of waste properly. Because styrofoam does not easily decompose, it can be harmful to the environment and any animals who try to eat it. To help alter the amount of how many styrofoam products are being released into our environment, here are a few steps you can follow to properly dispose of it. First, you'll want to make sure you clean the styrofoam and remove any debris or food items from it, because only clean styrofoam can be recycled. Next, you'll want to separate styrofoam from other recyclable products. And last, you'll want to locate a local facility to take the styrofoam to. Other options for step 3 include donating it to schools for arts and crafts, mailing it to an AFPR collection center, reusing it around your home, or even donating it to a local business for shipping purposes. By using these simple steps, you can create a more sustainable environment at home and on the go.